Welcome to the AH-64D Basic Flight Training Rolling Landing. This training will be performed from the pilot's position. In this lesson, we will conduct a rolling landing on Kutaisi Air Base's runway 25. We begin on the right downwind leg of the landing pattern. You are in active pause. Take a look at the graphic. As you start, you are heading towards position 1. Establish trimmed, level flight, 700 feet AGL, 75 knots. Maintain this well-controlled flight towards the gate at position 2. At position 2, you will turn onto the base leg, heading towards the gate at position 3. You will lower your airspeed to 50 to 65 knots and altitude to 500 feet AGL. At position 3, you will turn onto the final approach. Continue to reduce your airspeed to 40 knots. Establish a 200 to 500 foot per minute descent. Place the flight path vector just beyond the runway threshold. Your goal is to land between the two gates on the runway, position 4. As you cross the threshold, level out and slightly reduce your rate of descent to make a touchdown on the tail wheel, followed by the main gear. Once you are on the ground, apply a minimum of 30% torque, then aft cyclic to aerodynamically brake the helicopter. Apply toe brakes if the safe outcome of the maneuver is in doubt. When ready to fly this approach, press the spacebar. Establish straight and level flight, 700 feet AGL, 75 knots. Turn right onto base. Descend to 500 feet AGL, reduce airspeed. Turn right onto final. Begin 200 to 500 FPM descent, reduce airspeed. apply slight aft cyclic to minimize rate of descent and decelerate. When the tail wheel contacts, continue applying aft cyclic to cushion the main landing gear onto the ground. Continue to apply aft cyclic with greater than 30% torque dual engine to aerodynamically brake the helicopter. Apply toe brakes as necessary. When the helicopter has stopped, center the cyclic and reduce the collective. Congratulations, you have successfully conducted a rolling landing. To go on to transition to hover landing training, press the spacebar. To exit this training, press escape.